How is your keto journey going? Personally, I miss sugar and bread, but the good news is here at Healthy Helpings we are thinking of you. We strive to find recipes that allude to our decadent dishes that are simply off limits in their traditional form. We have scoured the internet for you and gathered a collection of savory, sweet, and filling recipes to curb those cravings. Today, we are providing you with a delicious entree recipe. Keto recipes, garlic butter roast beef. Total preparation time, 25 minutes. This recipe makes 6 servings. Nutrition facts: 510 calories, 33 grams total fat, 15 grams saturated fat, 185 milligrams cholesterol, 550 milligrams sodium, 740 milligrams potassium, 1 gram total carbohydrate, 47 grams protein. What you'll need: 3 pounds boneless beef. Bottom round beef contains L-carnitine, which contributes to heart health by reducing oxidative stress, inflammation, improves fasting glucose levels, contributes to weight loss, provides the master antioxidant, glutathione, which contributes to anti-aging properties, longevity, prevents illness, reduces the risk of chronic disease, boosts the immune system, is high in protein, improves muscle mass, is rich in various minerals including calcium, iron, copper, magnesium, manganese, potassium, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc, prevents iron deficiency anemia, improves insulin sensitivity, filled with vitamins, B12, B5, B3, B6, B2 and smaller amounts of vitamin E and K. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Black pepper is high in antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, has been shown to improve brain function, may improve blood sugar control, may lower cholesterol, may have cancer-fighting properties, boosts absorption of nutrients, may promote gut health, may offer pain relief, and may reduce appetite. 4 cloves of garlic. Finely minced garlic improves blood pressure, lowers cholesterol, reduces the risk of heart disease, helps boost the immune system, helps reduce fatigue, can help reduce bone loss in females, improved memory, and protects the skin from free radicals when used topically. 3 tablespoons butter. Softened butter may have cancer-fighting properties, promotes digestive health, may boost metabolism, high in saturated fat, and high in calories. Use in moderation. Additional equipment: aluminum foil, roasting pan, and rack serving platter. Always begin by washing your hands before handling ingredients, containers, and tools. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin by seasoning the beef on all sides generously with salt and black pepper. Allow to stand for 30 minutes at room temperature before roasting. Use aluminum foil to line a roasting pan and place rack inside. Stir softened butter and minced garlic to combine. Place beef in the center of the roasting rack. Use garlic butter to rub the exposed surface of the beef. Place beef on the middle rack of the oven and roast for 20 minutes. Reduce oven temperature to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue roasting for 90 to 120 minutes or until internal temperature of 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit of the beef is reached for medium doneness. Remove roasting pan from oven or add time if necessary. Let the beef rest for 10 minutes. Internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully move beef to a serving platter and carve as desired. Now you are ready to serve your garlic butter roast beef. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content and related videos. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.